Welcome to day 6 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi. In today's session called Achieving Strength Safely, we'll explore safe and sustainable ways to enhance your strength through Tai Chi. So find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. So we begin with the breath, allowing us to come into the present moment, arriving in the body. Just letting go of all considerations and concerns, letting the thoughts just float by like clouds in the sky. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath if you like, just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting go of any stress and tension. The hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down through the body towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. As we open the door, the arms float up, the arms float down. Like you're resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, opening the door. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, and then the wrists cross right in front of the heart. Then the hands press out to the sides, creating space. Crossing the wrists in front of the heart, palms face away, pushing out to the sides. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, creating space. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms. They float all the way up. And this time they float to the lower back. They slide down the back of the legs. The knees can bend. Then bend the knees even more as the hands come forward. The hands go all the way up overhead. And then out to the sides, coming to the lower back once again, brushing the earth and the sky. Sliding down just as much as you can comfortably. The hands come forward, floating up, and then opening, coming to the lower back, brushing earth and sky. Just coming down as low as you can comfortably. Just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, brushing earth and sky. And then from here, the arms reverse direction, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up towards the sky as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center as you soften down. The hands go out to the sides. The hands come up the center as we gather some more seeds, and then we'll plant them into the earth, softening the hips and the knees, softening down, breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. This time, circle the arms all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands into the heart as you step in. Then step out to the corner. as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time the arms float all the way up and over and out to the side like you're draping a coat over the shoulder. Then the hands come across the center and push through. All the way to the corner, once again draping the coat and then pushing through. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush. Just bringing mindfulness to the body, feeling the sensations. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float all the way up and over, draping the coat over the shoulder, and then pushing through right out to the corner. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree right out in front, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, circle it around again, warding off, expanding and lifting. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. And then from here, the bottom hand comes under. The hands slide down as you shift back, and then circle the arms all the way around again, rolling back, receiving, going with the flow. One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side. Then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push back out. Once again, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, circle around again, warding off. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Still breathing. All right, one more time. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down. Toss away. Fold it in. Press forward. One more time, the press. Then from here, the hands separate. Draw them in towards the heart and push. Nice and easy, nice and slow. And then one more time, just like the ocean. Tide rolls in, tide rolls out. Then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in and catch the moon. Step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Take your time stepping in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. You can step the foot in as well. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, the hands float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. As always, meeting yourself where you're at. Then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can, comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. But just the arms at first. Breathing in. Breathing out. This time lifting your leg if you like. Touching down as needed. Then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down. From here, shifting your weight to one side, the arm lifts on the same side. Shifting your weight over to the other side, the other arm lifts. Like you're bouncing the ball. This time the arm lifts, the opposite leg can lift too. Other side, arm lifts, the opposite leg lifts. Bouncing the ball in the bubbling well, or the bubbling spring. And you can always just keep your toe down too. That still counts. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. And then from here, both arms float all the way out to the side. The hands float down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then shifting the weight, the arms switch sides, leaning over to the side, going up. The tiger hugs its head. And if you want, you can look to the side as well. Gentle rotation. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, if you want, you can lift your leg. Once again, you can touch down as needed. Just meeting yourself where you're at. It's okay to wobble. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then both arms float down, circling in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften the hips and knees. And circle in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, this time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling into the body. Feeling into the breath. And then feeling into the heart. Creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi flow. Stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. So today's poem that I created specifically for this class is called The Gentle Path. Strength is found not in force, but in the gentle, mindful course. Guide the body, soft and slow. In safety, let your power grow. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to click the link right here to watch your strength training video of the day that goes along with your Tai Chi, and I'll see you over there.